Hello everyone and welcome to Crilex Trading. Thank you for being here and hope you're having an amazing week. Before we start to talk about today's strategy, I would like to share with you some really great news regarding the Crilex Trading team. Today Alex passed the 𝐓𝐇𝐄 verification phase. He did it in 2 days and I'm really happy about this because it's a huge milestone for his trading journey. You can find all his videos on his channel, and I would like to congratulate him again for his amazing runway. Now going back to the purpose of this episode, lately I was interested in finding more scalping strategies because, I don't know, I felt like I need some more dynamic in my trading style. As you may already know, the main strategy I am using is the one from Guerrilla Trading, which is a really great one, and you can find it in the description below. But as you can see in my backtesting video, their strategy is for 1 hour time frame, and I wanted to experiment also a scalping strategy using the 5 minutes chart. And that's how, after a lot of research, I found this strategy that looks pretty good and it claims to have like 90% win rate. Let's give it a shot. So, as you can see, I've already set up my trading view. We will need here the 5 minutes time frame chart and the 3 indicators. To be more specific, we need the EMA 25, the 50 EMA and the 100 EMA. And first of all, we have to find an existing trend. Meaning that we are looking for all 3 EMAs, like all these 3 lines, to be heading in the same direction, and also they have to be clearly separated from each other, as we can see here. We have to avoid ranging markets. I have an example for you, like this one. So we have to avoid these ranging markets because these EMAs are always crossing, we don't actually have a trend here, and it's kind of a messy price action. Also, I have another example for you that we have to avoid in this strategy. So we have to avoid moments when the EMAs looks like just horizontal lines, because again we are looking for an established trend. So now we are going back to our example, and here we've got some kind of clear trend. The EMAs are separated and have an oblique position. More than that, we have to look for candles that are fully outside of the 25 EMAs. And here the 25 EMAs is the green line, so we've got here a pretty nice range that was above the 25 EMA. Okay, so now we found the setup and we are waiting for the entry signal. Our entry signal is when the price makes this pullback and closes below this 25 EMA or below the 50 EMA. And let me show you what I mean by this. So here we've got this candle that closed below the 25 EMA, and now another candle that pulled back. So next step is to wait the price to close above the 25 EMA, as you can see here, and when this happens you have to take a buy position right here. However, I have to mention that if the price went down and broke the 100 EMA that is here, we have to cancel our setup and we'll look for the trade opportunities again when the market will have a trend here. So for buy, we will wait again for the price to be fully above the EMAs and EMAs to have this nice uptrend position. Also, if the price will break, I don't know, impulsively this 100 EMA, this may mean that there can be a trend shift and we have to wait for a clear trend. But going back to our position, where should we close the position that we are opening here? So, as per this strategy, let's say if we have this buy entry here, the stop loss should be above this 50 EMA. Like we will put a long position here. Let's say we will put a buy here, and the stop loss will be right here on the 50 EMA. And also this strategy is telling us that the take profit should be at 1.5% of the stop loss. Okay, and let's see this example. As we can see here, all the three EMAs are heading upwards, the candles are above the 25 EMA, we've got this pullback, a candle closed below the 25 EMA, and a new candle here that closed above the 25 EMA, and now we opened this buy position right here, and let's see what will happen next. Okay. It's a pretty long position, and now our take profit would be just here. Okay, now let's look for an example for a sell position. As we can see, all the three EMAs are heading downwards here, the candles are below the 25 EMA, and now we are waiting for this pullback that are going into the 25, or why not into the 50 EMA. Okay, and now we can see another candle that closed above this 25 EMA. Not yet. And I think now, yes, this candle is fully closed below this 25 EMA. So, as per our strategy, we will put a sell order here, a stop loss on the 50 EMA, and the take profit at 1.5%. And let's see what will happen next. Okay, and here we can see that the price ends up by hitting our target. Now, I am really excited about this strategy because it is focused on trending markets, and of course it's quite a dynamic one. As I told you in the beginning, I learned this strategy through research and it's claimed to be a very profitable one. I didn't backtest it yet, but this is what I am going to do in the next days. If you are interested in the results and its real outcomes, I am going to post in the next day the actual results that I've got with this strategy. And let's see if we'll get that 95% win rate claimed. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, please write down in comments if you backtested this strategy and what were your results. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos, and until then, trade safe and trust the process.